How to turn off or on news emails notifications on Instagram Lite. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to turn off or on news notifications on Instagram Lite. First then open Instagram Lite, and here you will find this three lines in top corner. Click on it and then click settings, and now click notifications, and here you will find email notifications. Click on it and then scroll down until you find this one, news emails, and as you see here you can turn it off or on just by one click, and that's it. And that's it for today's video. Don't forget like and don't forget subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.